Alright, this is going to be a really simple one. It's just starting as a spiral. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. It is flipped inside out since there is going to be ice dyeing, and I'm going to try to roughly pick the center, but not too picky if I'm off a little. And then I'm just going to twist it up in a spiral. Alright, so off to dye. Alright, I'm using Amber Waves from Dharma, and this is mixed up as a liquid, and Forest Floor from Dye Spin. I'm just going to apply the Forest Floor across whatever area you're looking for. I don't know, about a sixth. Alright, we'll let that melt through, come back and take a look. Alright, that's melted through, so I'm just going to add the liquid for the base color. And this is 6 ounces that I'm pouring in. And I'll let this sit for probably 18 hours, and then we'll do the washout. Alright, let's go ahead and do the washout. Alright, go throw this in the wash and we'll take a final look. Alright, here's the front, and here's the back. Now, on the camera, at least on the monitor, I'm seeing there's like a fair amount of red up in here coming around, and I'm not seeing that in person. I'm also partially colorblind, so it could be I'm just not seeing it due to the color difference, but anyway. Oh, I do see that right there, but I don't see it anywhere else. So, I don't know. I say it kind of looks like a cinnamon roll that's glazed in sugar. My son said absolutely not. It looks nothing at all like a cinnamon roll. What do you think? Okay, fair enough. It kind of looks like baby poop in real life, not so much on my camera or on the screen I'm looking at. It was an idea I had. I went with it. I don't know. The concept seems to be there. The fact that, you know, a single spiral for the actual cinnamon butter part that goes through the cinnamon roll. You have the cinnamon roll color, and then the glazing is the white because it didn't fully saturate the shirt by pouring from the bottom only. I don't know. Seriously, I think the idea has
On
merit.
a completely different note,
Maybe
curious
it's a poor
if
color choice.
others would be interested
What are your
in
thoughts?
seeing some
Let
videos
me know down below
of my son doing some scrapping.
So he turned 16 a few months ago, and he's decided he wants to pick up scrap metal on the side of the road, picking up from people that need stuff moved, that kind of stuff. Takes it to the scrap yard so that it can be recycled, kept out of the landfill, and he makes a little bit of cash to help pay off the insanity that is his car insurance at the age of 16. Would there be any interest in people seeing short little, say 10-minute, 15-minute videos of him picking up the scrap, the stuff he finds, what he makes from it, just as like an FYI or a recycling kind of thing? Let me know down below if there's any interest in that. If there is some interest, he can start making some videos. I can drop them here on this channel, see if there was a bit of a following, and then he might branch off into his own channel doing that and some other things that he does, the leather work and such. Then over time that would help him pick up some extra money that way as well off of YouTube to help pay for the vehicle and, again, the insanity that is his insurance rate at the age of 16. So let me know your thoughts, your feelings. If there's any interest whatsoever, it would be a separate day of the week that those are dropped. Maybe on Saturday, maybe on Friday. Scrapping Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See, it doesn't really flow with any day of the week, so I'm not sure what day it would be dropped on. And until next time, thanks for watching.